Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Adam here, and welcome back to video 3 out of 3 in this 3-part mini-series. And that's right, we have finally gotten time to unbox the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So, we're presented with the brand new box. And, well, let's jump right into it. Everyone's favorite part. So, as you may remember, the iPhone box is now smaller because it doesn't have a power brick included. So, taking off the lid of this box, very satisfying as always, we're presented with the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, as you notice, the cover is different. It's now a white plastic instead of the clear plastic that we're all used to. But man, look at this phone. It's absolutely beautiful. And it has some indicators. Hey, I see you guys. Anyways, the stainless steel borders are so shiny and polished. I mean, you can already tell that I've already gotten fingerprints on it. But the back of the phone is amazing. But anyways, turn this on and set this aside. And now we begin taking things out of the box. The cord, which is just lightning to USB Type-C, and then the paperwork from the box. Sad to say, you only get one Apple sticker this year. But something interesting I noticed is comparing it to the iPhone 11's sticker box is, well, the sticker almost looks smaller. Well, that's because it is. It's kind of a shame. I missed 2 stickers. I wish they would include more. But that's just Apple's decision. Well, putting the phone back, that's everything that you get with the box. So, with that all being said and out of the way, let's jump right into the first impressions. So, this phone right here is absolutely massive, but the screen is also insanely good. This is the largest screen Apple has ever put on an iPhone, and the screen is bright, vivid, and looks absolutely amazing. Just very clear, very crisp, and also looks pretty clean. There's my current setup, and honestly, it's really good for what I need. At 6.7 inches, the 11 Pro fit in my hand, but it's a two-handed phone for sure. Now, jumping a bit to last video, iPhone 12 is known for MagSafe, and that's no exception here. It works exactly the same and works just as, well, good as you might think. It's basically a 12-watt wireless charger, so that means it's fast, but cable charging still faster. But it honestly is pretty cool looking at it without the case on. So not only is the build quality absolutely insane on this phone, the cameras are also insane. They are massive. Like I said in the unboxing video of the case when we first got an idea of how big the cameras were, it was pretty big. And now actually looking at the phone, they are big. I'll throw a couple pictures on screen, but I'm going to save the rest for the full review coming very shortly. But for now, you guys can take a look at the main camera, the telephoto camera, the ultra-wide camera, and the LiDAR sensor, along with just the stainless steel border and the flash. It looks really nice and really clean, although it's a fingerprint magnet, but looks very cool. So for a first impression, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is really good. It's got a really bright screen. The camera quality, so far from what I've seen, is very good. And, well, MagSafe holds up to its truth. And it's just a more modern phone. Also, the design is very cool. Now, it's a bit brief because, well, this is a first impressions video. But we will go way more in depth in the review, so don't worry about that. And that review will be coming out in a couple days' time. So, get ready for that one. And to the outro we go. So, with that all being said, that was your unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And, well, I cannot wait to spend some more time with this. Well, by the time you're watching this video, I've already spent around 2 weeks with it. So, the full review will be coming out very shortly after this unboxing video is posted. And, well, we'll find out if it's worth buying or not. So, with that all being said, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you really enjoyed it, then make sure to subscribe, and make sure you ring that bell so that way you know when the review drops the moment it's posted. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.